New day, same lovely weather. I finished up yesterday filling this bed up behind you. I'll show you in a second. And I dug that all out of a nice deep. Hello, mate. Where's the Barbie? Cheers. Okay, so as I was saying, I dug a nice deep hole over there, used the topsoil to fill this bed, put some compost and manure on there, so that one's ready to go when I've got some stuff to go in it. Regarding the hole, I'm going to chuck a load of the stuff from my compost heap in it, and then I'm going to put the pallets that are containing the compost heap over the hole on some supports, and then I'll just have a deeper compost heap essentially, which just deals a bit of the problem of having quite a lot of waste at the moment and nowhere to put it or take it. So I'll show you what the focus is for today anyway, because I've got a couple of other jobs I'd like to get done, slightly different this time, so let's get going. So as I mentioned, this one is now full, if not a little stony. I might sort that out when I've ordered a riddle, so I might sort that out a little bit, but it's not so bad. Okay, so this is the area I want to do today. I've already put my strawberry planter here, and I've got the two small sinks which I've used this year. This is all going to be herbs now. So I've got parsley in the one on the right, and I've got rocket in the one on the left. I say herbs, salad leaves as well. I'm going to put the big sink here. When I've got it, I can't lift it, so I've got to take everything out of it, then bring it over, then put everything back in it. But the big one's going to go here, and I'm going to have two herbs in that one. I've got some thyme seeds and some basil seeds as well. That I do want to get some coriander. I'll probably just buy a pot that's already grown from one of the supermarkets next time I visit one of them. And then I'll have something else at the end. I might make a small... I've got another planter over the other side. Yeah, so I've got this planter actually. I made this last year after watching one of Joe Mill's videos. This one's slightly better made actually, because I took a bit more time over it. But it's not doing anything sitting here, so what I'll probably do is just move that over to where the other herb beds are going to be, keep it all together. I know I'm a bit of a wimp, but geez, those things are heavy. So, I know it says the basil needs to go indoors or in a greenhouse, but I don't have any seed compost at the moment. I don't have much bench space, so I thought I'd give it a go outside. You know, what's the harm in trying? If I don't get any, I don't get any. And I've got some more seeds left over, so when the potatoes go in and I've got some more bench space, then I can try them in here. I have actually ordered some seed compost. I found some on Homebase website. It was well priced. in comparison to, you know, what you can see on eBay and Amazon, if you can find any on eBay or Amazon. But that's going to be at least a week until it gets to me. So, you know, I've got enough seeds. I stuck it outside. See what happens. So next job is to move the waste pile into the hole and then move the retaining pallets over the hole. I'll put something under them to support them, and clear this area. Okay, so now I've filled the hole roughly level. I've moved these pieces of wood around the outside of the hole. There's still more to go. But now I'm going to reassemble the pallets on this support frame and then move the rest of it. Okay, that's me for today. Spent 3 hours down here sorting some things out. Obviously in the near future I'll be clearing this spot, and then from there it's a case of filling the beds up. The exciting bit. Right, that's me for the day. I'm going to sign off here. So I'll be back down tomorrow, maybe another day this week, if the weather holds out, certainly. So thanks very much for watching again, and I'll see you soon.